Today, we're diving into a battle between two titans in the touring segment, the Continental UltraContact and the Continental PremiumContact 6. These two tires serve almost the same size range, but each is designed with a different focus. The question is, which one is right for you? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental UltraContact set as the reference point at 100%. When it comes to wet performance, the PremiumContact 6 takes the lead. In the wet braking test, the PremiumContact 6 stopped 3.9 meters shorter compared to UltraContact. Additionally, in straight-line aquaplaning, the PremiumContact 6 started to slip at 80.3 kilometers per hour, while the UltraContact began slipping at 76.5 kilometers per hour. These numbers show a clear advantage for the PremiumContact 6 in wet conditions. In dry conditions, the PremiumContact 6 continues to outperform, stopping 1.2 meters shorter than the UltraContact. This performance cements the PremiumContact 6 as the better tire for dry braking. When it comes to noise, the UltraContact is the quieter option, with a noise level that's 0.4 decibels lower than the PremiumContact 6. If a quieter ride is important to you, the UltraContact might be the better choice. Fuel efficiency is close between the two, but the UltraContact takes a slight lead with a vehicle consumption of 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers, compared to the PremiumContact 6e's 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers. Now, if endurance is your priority, the UltraContact is the clear winner. It offers a projected mileage of 55,900 kilometers, significantly higher than the 49,700 kilometers achieved by the PremiumContact 6. Additionally, the UltraContact has better abrasion resistance, with an abrasion level of 52.5 mg per kilometer per ton compared to 69.5 mg per kilometer per ton for the PremiumContact 6. In summary, the Continental PremiumContact 6 excels in wet and dry performance, making it the ultimate choice for safety-conscious drivers. Meanwhile, the Continental UltraContact excels in mileage and durability, perfect for those who want a tire that lasts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.